Hello everybody, it's your boy, Drawing Disciple, and today I just wanted to show you guys how to draw an eye. First we'll start with a curved line for the bottom of the eyelid. Then we'll curve it for the corner of the eye. Then we'll draw the bottom of the eye with the same curve, just with a little bump where the corner of the eye is. Then we just close off that corner of the eye. Okay, then we do make another corner on the other side of the eye. And now we just make 3 wrinkles at the top of the eye. We make 3 more creases to the bottom of the left corner, and then the bottom of the eye, and then the bottom of the right corner. And now I'm starting on the eyelid of the eye, and then I'll just do a little swish at the end of it. Okay, now we just draw a half C in the eye. Then I draw a little divot on the other side. And then I draw a smaller C in the middle of that. And then I'll just shade it a little bit. And then I'll do a little light effect in the middle of that. So it's just basically 3 C's, just getting smaller and smaller. You just make curved lines going opposite ways on both sides throughout the circle. Then I'll put some more curved lines on the side where it's darker. Okay, then I'm just defining the eyelid and just putting more dark areas just to define the shape of those parts of the eye. And then I'll just darken in, just giving it the finishing touches throughout it, and then shading a little bit, like the corner of the eye, just the sides of it, then on the bottom a little bit, and yeah, and that's drawing an eye. Now I just want to show you guys what it would look like when you draw eyes far away. Like in the beginning when I started to draw, I thought, oh man, eyes had to be really detailed and stuff, even far away, but that's not true. Like really, they're just kind of like sideways teardrops. And you can draw the like dot in the middle of the eye if you want, but usually I just leave the eyes just white. And so yeah, it will save you a lot of time and heartache just drawing the eyes like this when the face is far away. And so yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And then I'll just draw a little ear on it, and then you got your face with 2 eyes. Okay, now to get back to the eye and to finish it by smudging your lines, your curved lines, to create the shading effect, which I think makes it look more realistic. And then I'll just smudge the corner on the sides and try not to make the shading go too far in, but just create that effect of darkness and light. And now I'll just put some dark areas and define the shapes again one more time, pretty much the same way I did the first time. Just get the eyelid, the irises, and then the wrinkles. and then the bottom of the eye, bottom of the eyelid, corner of the eye. And there we go. That's how you draw an eye. And then I'll just get that little light effect there. There we go. Yep, so this is pretty much how you draw an eye. I hope this video helped you learning how to draw an eye and shading it. And, right now I'll just draw a little eyebrow too, because since this is since the larger corner is to the left, that means the eyebrow is going to be facing to the left also. And this is how I draw an eye, or a eyebrow. Is I'll just draw a little thin point leading out, and then a stubby point to the front, and then I'll just do little corner lines or curved lines that lead to the middle of the eyebrow, and then you just do the same thing as smudging for the shading. And so yeah, and then you got your eye and the eyebrow. So yeah, well, thank you for watching. Goodbye.